So in a small bathroom, it's always the best. Hi, I'm Tori from M.J.Harris and welcome to our Lilydale project. Over here we have our beautiful recessed in-wall niche. It is heated, which is perfect for the Lilydale weather. Bring you around over here, we have our beautiful custom-made vanity made right in our warehouse in Thomastown. It is in a really beautiful Laminex urban planked oak with two beautiful large deep drawers, because we all know how annoying it is when you're in your bathroom and you can't find stuff at the back of your cupboard. Brush brass ABI taps, West Elm mirror and our Amundsen lighting wall sconces. As we follow around here, we have these beautiful shelves to showcase our towels and baskets, as well as storage for toilet paper and things like that. So in a small bathroom, it's always priority to create as much space as possible. So in this particular bathroom, we made sure to use an in-wall cistern toilet with these beautiful custom brass anodized buttons. So we actually had these custom made for our client out here so that it would match all of the other fittings and fixtures. We have this gorgeous pane of glass for the shower. It just means easy cleaning, and it also actually makes the space feel a lot bigger. It's not taking up any room, and it's also not an eyesore. And then we finish off with this gorgeous shower, walk in, beautiful brass tapware shower head, and a shelf, which is amazing for storing bottles and shampoo and things like that, and it's nice and easy to clean off at the end of the day.